Welcome to VaahanBandhu, a revolutionary platform built by Team Code4CHANGE. VaahanBandhu empowers three key users in rural India's transport ecosystem: farmers who post delivery requests for their harvested crops, truck drivers who find loads and optimize their return trips, and agri-input dealers who manage the delivery of essentials like fertilizers and seeds. With AI-driven insights and quantum-enhanced routing, VaahanBandhu reduces inefficiencies in rural logistics and makes every kilometer count. Here, the farmer uses regional language voice input to request transport. They simply speak the crop name, mandi, or market destination and the quantity either in kilograms or quintals. The system processes this using our intelligent backend and prepares for optimal vehicle assignment. Next, our hybrid AI quantum engine springs into action. Using quantum computing circuit simulations, we analyze traffic flow, road condition, and proximity, evaluating multiple routes simultaneously. We also tap into real-time traffic data via TomTom API, ensuring that the nearest available truck driver is assigned quickly and efficiently. This helps reduce delays, fuel wastage, and ensures timely delivery, especially crucial for perishable goods. Once assigned, the truck driver receives all critical details, including the shortest and fastest route, expected delivery time, and traffic insights. The path is visualized with live GPS tracking and map rendering using Folium, ensuring clarity and confidence for the driver. Meanwhile, agri-input dealers log into the dashboard to schedule return trip deliveries. They can book essential supplies like fertilizers, seeds, or tools, optimizing their outbound logistics while helping drivers avoid empty returns. This booking system creates a win-win for both dealers and transporters. Finally, the same truck completes the circular logistics loop by delivering agri-input goods on the return trip. This model increases truck utilization, reduces overall emissions, and brings economic empowerment to rural communities. VaahanBandhu is not just a logistic tool, it's a data smart farmer first movement that's scalable, affordable, and future ready, powered by Next.js, Python, and Qiskit. Join us as we redefine rural transport, one quantum optimized journey at a time.